Okay. So, Jitendra, how was this coaching call with Shabir Khan? Tell me.
Yeah. So, honestly speaking, I have attended many coaching programs, webinars, and workshops. But with Sabir Khan, it was like very much elaborated. Even finally, he explained the inner secret of running an ad. I mean, the lot of strategy behind this, lot of effort he has put together to a students, and also he is completely transferring his past experience to a guy. So I mean, I had it is like kind of a coaching program I had that much deep. I got through this call, and very small things which like even many experienced people will not explain, but you explained me in details about the budgeting, how daily $10, $20, and to keep everything smooth $15, and to have a good practice and good principle like making a beautiful landing page, split test. Okay, so those are the important things, like no one will give clear picture. I think these are the winning strategy somebody has to learn from you and implement, and I'm sure definitely there will be a good result from the students. So I'm very much impressive actually.
Thank you, Jitendra. See,
Yeah.
the goal is to create entrepreneurs, successful entrepreneurs, not failure entrepreneurs. And I see. Here's the thing, right? When someone is enrolling into my coaching, I know that he has a family to support. I know that the money he has made, that he's paying me, is something, it's a hard earned money, right? If I am not making, if he's not satisfied with what I'm giving him, right? It's something that will be a karma that will come to me at some point, right?
Got it.
So that's something that I maintain. For me, my reputation is more important than money. Okay.
Okay.
And that's why you see me on stages, you see me getting those awards, you see me, getting better and better. Third, another thing is that I personally invest in my own mentorships. I
Okay.
spend tens and thousands of dollars. Recently, I've spent like over $5,000 for a 2 days mastermind.
Okay.
2 days mastermind. Just 1 month back, I spent $1,200 to $1,300 for a 3 days mastermind.
Program. Okay.
Okay, 3 days program. So and the thing is that when I spend that money, it's very powerful. Like at my stage, I just need to know one small thing to take my business from to bring a 20% extra profit by just one small thing, and I'm willing to
Okay.
pay the money for that. Okay,
Okay.
right? So when you will reach my stage, you will understand that one small strategy, like how to how to find that one single winning ad can take your business to the next level. Okay, right? So that's something
Yeah.
that keeps me going, and that's how my students get results. So appreciate all the kind words, Jitendra, and thank you for giving those detailed explanation. Thank you.
Yeah.